today's video, we're going to the Amish Country inside our Cybertruck, and we're also going to get a first reaction of my wife's parents. They're in their 70s and they've heard of a Cybertruck but they've never seen one before. So we're gonna get their first reaction of the Cybertruck and their opinions, what they think about it. And they're gonna drive with us to the Amish. So come along and let's see what their reaction is. Oh yeah, as soon as that comes out, we get it like one of the first ones. Definitely take videos of it for real. Do a lot of testing. Heck, it might come out while we're in Florida. Alright, so this is my in-laws' first reaction to the Cybertruck. They've never seen it before. So let's see what their reaction is. This is my father-in-law, and this is his first time seeing the Cybertruck. So to get in the back door, Dad, there's a button in the far back. See it? Push it. Push it. Yep, now pull. Yeah, get up in there and sit and see how it feels on your back. If you want to bring the cushion, we can still bring it. In the middle. How's that feel?
I'll just bring it along.
Yeah, you can bring it. We can store it underneath or whatever.
Yeah,
if you need it, we can have it. Yeah.
These seats are pretty comfortable.
Yeah, that's a huge back seat. Humongous.
Yeah.
I'll give you a little tour of the stainless steel whole thing.
I know. Like the
DeLorean.
DeLorean.
Yep. And here's the back. So I'll let you hit that button right there. I'll make sure you back away because it'll. No, over here, right there. But back away because it'll drop the bed, the tailgate. And then it's got lights underneath there. Here's some outlets to plug in.
Oh yeah.
And then if you push this button really hard, just push it and let go. So now you got your, put your stuff in there. And then you can put this, like anything. I should have. It's the back. So then you can actually.
Oh, lifts up.
Yep, this actually lifts up here.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
And then Zach gonna step on the cover.
You should have had a seat across. Then you could do that here and grab it before we leave.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, watch Zach. Zach's gonna step on the cover. It's very, very like that. The cover is super strong.
Oh my god.
People are stepping on it as they close it.
Yeah, they're crazy. And then to get, obviously for us to get in the front. And here, like on the back here.
That's weird not to see anything in the day.
Nothing at all, right? And then here, if you just want to do storage here, you pull this little lever. And this door opens like 90 degrees. It's super wide,
Yeah.
so you can have tons of space. And then we have the front too, and up here. I always forget where the button is. Right here. All right, so we're on our way to Amish Country. We're in entry mode. It's nice and low to the ground for mom and dad to get in. What do you think about this truck so far?
Pretty cool. Pretty.
I lowered it down low so you guys can get in easy.
I said if it snows and blizzards one winter, you'll have to come and pick us up.
Yes, that'd be
So
fun.
you can raise it and go through all the
Yeah.
snow.
pretty cool. Off to Amish country we go.
It is different.
All right, so we're on our way to Amish country here. And you have two directions to go. You can go down the 90, which that's not fun. We're gonna go back roads. Be a nice little drive. Let's go. So how do you like the drive so far, Dad? What do you think about the look? Is it ugly, pretty?
No,
Like the space.
no, it does kind of look like a little bit of the DeLorean.
Yeah.
It really does.
Well, I think Elon Musk has an
Looks like it
obsession
looks like it belongs into what's that movie?
Back to the Future?
Back to the Future.
Yeah, a lot of people have their opinion. They say it looks like a refrigerator. But like, I feel if you see it in person and driving it in person, it makes you, like, I like it more even, you know, driving in it and seeing it in person, you know?
I just don't want to buy those tires.
The tires are big. They are big. So we're actually going to be, we're in Amish country. The goal is to try to get the Amish people to look at this and get their opinion of it. Right now we had to pull over because my father-in-law, he has some back surgeries and he decided to need to get out and walk around a little bit, so. This thing is polarizing, that's for sure. Driving through Amish country right now. We're gonna go look at some Hollywood furniture, maybe some tiny houses. Did a little bit of off-roading. I don't know if I call it off-roading really, but the scenery is pretty awesome.
That road was pretty off-road.
Yeah, well, it was pretty bad, right? I mean, the signs weren't wrong. It said rough road. Look at their clothes way up there.
Yeah,
Get a video of that.
they're on a pulley. They can,
You pull down.
they can pull them back to the house, yeah. Take them down.
Wave to these girls.
I'm not waving to those girls. But I like, why are you recording our house?
You should get videos now, honey.
I am not recording them. That might be why he was like.
Out here at the Amish, doing sunsets, sheds, and cabins. Looking for some stuff for the house, but It's a beautiful drive out here. And obviously driving this thing, it's pretty awesome. Alright, so we made it to Ellicottville. We're gonna have some dinner, lunch on some Hollywood. We're kind of half closed, a tonneau cover on it. See how that works out for us. Alright, so we're actually going to eat at the Ellicottville Brewing Company. There's Zachary, that's the channel. All right, guys, we made it back from our trip to Ellicottville and Amish Country out that way, and picking up my in-laws. And it's a really good trip all the way around. The Cybertruck performed really well. We had to do some really cool stuff, and we'll see you guys in the next video.